Bullish Ethereum, ETH, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $10,337.60 and $19,526.59 by 2030. Market examiners accept ETH could reach $8,040.36 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,837.80. Ethereum, ETH, presentation decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports shrewd agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main cryptographic money after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony D'Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum pioneers. Crowdfunding for advancement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute extremely durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance, DeFi, offer a large number of monetary administrations without the requirement for customary monetary middle people like banks, businesses, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are in like manner conceivable to create and trade utilizing Ethereum. Moreover, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for introductory coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local cryptographic money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to construct any protected computerized innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network, however clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Accordingly, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. As per specialized examination performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the determination, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest obstruction. One more uplifting sign, the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with sound exchanging movement, upholds this. Subsequently, assuming that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the principal obstruction, the following significant region to watch out for is most likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or discredit longer-term expectations. Ethereum is presently worth $2,297.25 United States dollars. ETH has moved 2.21% as of now with an exchanging volume of $12,522,072,630. Ethereum is presently positioned 302 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $269,416,940,920 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum, ETH, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Ethereum, ETH, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023 Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, ETH. The ETH cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $3,445.87. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $3,216.14 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,756.69. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, Ethereum ETH cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $5,743.11. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the ETH's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4,594.49 and a typical exchanging cost of $5,053.94. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $8,040.36 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $7,351.19 and a low of $6,891.74 in 2025. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2026. Assuming that Ethereum effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $10,337.60, with a base cost of $9,188.98 and a typical cost of $9,648.43. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $11,945.68 by 2027, with a base cost of $11,486.23 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a greatest value worth of $12,634.85. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $14,242.92. On the off chance that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $14,932.10. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $13,783.47. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $16,080.72 and a yearly cost close above $17,229.34 in 2029. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $18,377.96 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $19,526.